Come over here. Go down the road. Come on. Come down. Come down.
Come on, down.
Who else is in the house? Who else is in here?
My stepson is in here.
How many other people?
Listen, that's it. I have 2 cats.
Everybody's out?
Yes.
But your stepson's still inside?
Yeah, he's right here.
Okay,
yes,
come out. Come down the road. Come on, come on. It's not safe to stay here. Come on.
All right, here he is. All right, my dog is shaking.
I know. Come down here. That's 287.33 victim. Fire victim.
Okay.
Come on.
My dog is here.
I know
my dog.
I know. Come on.
I'm coming.
You're seeing it. Got one victim right here. I need to stay over here. Yeah.
Oh my God.
911 with the
It's 2 Blake Street.
What's the address?
Please hurry. It's 2 Blake Street. There's a fire.
Okay.
Oh my God. There's a fire outside.
Ma'am, what's
2
on
Blake
fire?
Street. The TV, I don't know. My son, stepson is in his room, and I don't know. He did something with the TV. I was sleeping. I fell asleep.
See flames or smoke?
Yeah, come on, Steph, come on.
Okay, can you get?
Yes, we need an ambulance, please.
Okay,
please, we need an ambulance.
Ma'am, all right, you said something is on fire and now you need an ambulance. What's going on there?
Yes, his room, the TV in his room.
Did he get injured? Is he on fire?
Yes, he's injured. Please send the ambulance.
Ma'am, I'm going to send the ambulance. I need to know what's going on and why they're going out there. Where is he injured?
I don't know. He's kind of. I don't know. He's kind of passed out. He's out of it. Please.
Okay, what's your phone number, just in case we need to give you a call back?
203-4. Please.
Okay, is the fire out, ma'am?
No, it's not. Please. I'm trying to.
I understand, ma'am. I'm trying to get information on what's going on there.
Oh my God! It's like all the power in the house is out. I don't know if it's blew a fuse.
Okay, ma'am. Just get out of the house, okay?
Yes, I'm gonna call my daughter.
All right.
Oh my God.